Good morning, class 10. Today I'll start a new topic which is known as center of gravity. It's part 1b of your chapter 1. So, what is center of gravity? Simply, the center of the gravity of the body is the point on which the whole mass of the body is supposed to be concentrated. So, for every uniform body, the mass is uniformly distributed on the whole points. So, the particular point on which the whole mass is supposed to be concentrated is known as the center of gravity. One more mathematical definition we'll go towards. The mathematical definition or the bookish definition is suggesting that the center of gravity of the body is the point around which the algebraic sum of the moments of weights of that particles is zero. So basically this definition is, you can just understand with the example of a circle. Simply, if I am taking the center of hollow circle, so if I am going to calculate the anti-clockwise moment as well the clockwise moment, you will find the both sides are equal and opposite with the positive and the negative sign. So obviously in this case, if I am going to calculate the moment of force around this point, so you will be having this moment of force as 0. So we can say that this center of the circle is said to be the center of gravity of that particular circle. So we have some certain shapes to get the center of gravity. So firstly I am discussing the point as uniform rod. Uniform rod, as we have taken the uniform rod, so obviously the midpoint of its axis is going to be the center of gravity of that particular rod. Usually the midpoints are considered as the center of gravity, but in some case it's not like that, but usually we are having the midpoints as the center of gravity if the mass is distributed uniformly. Next one, I am taking the example of circular disc. You can take the circular disc as the example of circle. So the geometric center is the center of gravity of that particular circular disc. Next one, triangular lamina. So triangular lamina at the point of intersection on its median will be the, as usually we have the triangle. So triangle, if we am going to calculate the center of the triangle, so how I am going to do it? With the help of that particular instant that I'll draw the intersections or the perpendiculars on that triangle. So in this way I'll get the value of the